gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and...
Who says a foldable phone has to come with a noticeable crease on the screen? Well, this one proves that it doesn't. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. This is the brand new OPPO Find N6, and the moment you open the box and unfold the device, the first thing you'll notice is how incredibly smooth the display looks. Honestly, it's hard to spot any crease at all. The screen looks almost as flat as a tablet. When you compare it with other foldable displays, the difference becomes obvious right away. Whether you're indoors or outside under bright light, the Find N6 manages to stay impressively crease-free. As always, I've got a wallpaper weighing several kilograms ready to test the display for you. Once the screen lights up, the flatness becomes even more noticeable. Looking at it from different angles, especially from the side, there's no visible interruption in the middle of the display. The entire image flows smoothly across the screen, which makes the viewing experience feel extremely comfortable. Now let's take a closer look at some of the details. The outer display has incredibly slim black borders. Seriously, they're very narrow. Inside the box, OPPO also includes a Kevlar phone case, which is a nice and thoughtful addition. Moving to the back of the phone, the color I have here is called golden orange. Personally, I think this color is very versatile. It adds a bright and stylish touch to everyday outfits and really stands out. I even casually asked Xiaobu what my lucky color for this year might be, and the answer was orange and gold. What a coincidence. The camera module on the back features a clean circular design. Surrounded by a light gold metallic ring, the OPPO Find N6 looks noticeably more refined compared to its predecessor, the N5. Flash has been repositioned to the upper left corner, while the Hasselblad logo sits proudly in the center. Inside the module, there are 4 lenses, including a Hasselblad 2E super lens, along with a single lens ambient color sensor. Of course, anyone who's used foldable phones knows that looking flat at first doesn't necessarily mean the screen will stay that way after repeated use. So we decided to test it ourselves. We folded the phone like crazy. 4 of us took turns, each folding it more than 200 times, which brought the total to over 1,000 folds. When we compared the screen before and after, there was barely any visible dent or change. I also checked the official certification, and the OPPO Find N6 comes with TÜV Rheinland's 5 cents crease certification. According to this rating, the phone can withstand up to 600,000 folds while maintaining its flat display. To put that into perspective, if you were to fold the phone 50 times every single day, it could theoretically last around 32 years. I'm usually quite picky when it comes to the hinge feel on foldable phones, but this one is excellent. The resistance and damping are perfectly balanced, making the opening and closing motion feel incredibly smooth. OPPO says it uses a new titanium alloy dome-shaped hinge structure, and in real-world use, it stays stable at hovering angles anywhere between 10 and 120 degrees. Another thing that immediately stands out when you hold the Find N6 is how thin and lightweight it feels. The back panel features a soft sandblasted finish that feels very smooth and comfortable in the hand. When folded, holding it actually feels very similar to holding a regular candy bar smartphone. So it's also worth mentioning that the phone is fully waterproof. So if it gets caught in the rain or even accidentally falls into water, you don't really have to worry. To be honest, I always thought that truly crease-free foldable phones might first come from some international brands, but it turns out OPPO has taken the lead here. This year, many major global manufacturers are entering the foldable phone market, which will definitely make things exciting. But with the Find N6, OPPO has already raised the standard for the entire industry. I'm really curious to see what other surprises this device will bring in the future. For now, this was just a quick unboxing and my first impressions of the phone. I'll be uploading a full detailed review tomorrow after the official launch, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and join our tech community to catch that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.